Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a knight's sword. Let's start off by drawing two long parallel lines with blades. Then, draw a pointed tip at the higher end. At the bottom, draw a short perpendicular line that sticks out on either side. Add a rounded end here, a short line that's parallel to the first, and close out the shape with another rounded end. This is called the crossbar, which protects the knight's hand. Underneath the crossbar, add a very thin, elongated bump. Then, draw two more short perpendicular lines for the handle. At the bottom, draw a big rounded end like so, and add a line across to separate it from the handle. This is called the pommel of the sword. To add some more detail, draw some very thin diagonal lines across the handle, followed by a long thin line going up the blade that splits here at an angle and ends at these two corners. And now you got a knight's sword.